Welcome to our fascinating factory tour, where we'll witness how toothpaste is created from beginning to end. Stay tuned for more startling insights about your regular toothpaste. Let's go right in and see the magic happen. Bags of raw ingredients have arrived at the plant. Fluoride, abrasives, detergents, flavorings, and binders are all sourced from top-tier vendors to assure high quality. Every batch is thoroughly inspected and tested. The staff then measure and prepare the materials in accordance with particular formulae intended to produce effective and pleasant toothpaste. What do you think makes the ideal toothpaste? Leave a comment below. Let's go on to the mixing stage. These massive industrial mixers turn the materials into a smooth paste. This stage is critical to achieving the ideal texture and consistency. Look at that! The mixers are performing their job by uniformly distributing the fluoride, abrasives, and other chemicals. Next, we add the fun stuff, flavors, and colors. Popular tastes such as mint are added here, giving the toothpaste a refreshing taste that we all enjoy. The colors are mixed in to give each toothpaste its own distinct look. Another round of thorough mixing ensures that the flavors and colors are distributed equally throughout the paste. Consistency is crucial. Samples of the paste are sent to the lab for analysis. They inspect the texture, flavor, fluoride content, and other qualities to ensure that everything matches their high requirements. The lab technicians are hard at work, evaluating the paste to ensure it is just perfect. Any batch that does not make the cut is either modified or discarded. Now we can witness the filling and sealing process. These precision filling machines line up empty toothpaste tubes and fill them with paste. It's very satisfying to see. Next, the filled tubes are labeled. These labels feature all of the vital information, such as the brand, flavor, ingredients, and expiration date. The tubes are then put into shipment boxes. Finally, the toothpaste is placed into trucks and distributed. These trucks will distribute the items to supermarkets and pharmacies, ensuring that everyone may enjoy their favorite toothpaste. And that's it. We've witnessed the entire process from raw components to completed, packed toothpaste tubes. It's incredible how technology and painstaking processes can transform basic ingredients into a product we use every day. Thank you for joining us on this tour. We hope you enjoyed it.